Okay, in this video, I'm going to go over the graphic organizer's problem and solution chart for From Daughter to Daughter, the short story From Daughter to Daughter. So the main problem that Abuelita faces in this story is what? What's the main problem? Well, Abuelita wants to start her own business, but she can't. Why not? What was it? She does not have what? But she does not have what? Okay, so I'm going to let you finish that. What does Abuelita not have enough of to start her own business? Okay, so that's the first part. Again, I'm going to let you finish that one out. Okay, and then some attempts. Okay, she makes some attempts to solve this problem. The first attempt she makes is Abuelita tried making, sweet empanadas. Now, the outcome of her trying to make these sweet empanadas was a businessman eats them, and what does that businessman do after he eats them? Okay, so if you need to go back in the text, I'm going to go back right now. Let's see where it says it. Yeah, it looks like the fourth, or if you count there's a short paragraph of just one sentence, the fourth or fifth paragraph, depending on how you want to count them. But basically the last paragraph on page 274, it talks about what happens after the businessman eats her sweet empanadas. Okay, so I'm going to let you finish that outcome out as well. Okay, another attempt. Abuelita and her family, they worked in the cold and could not afford to hire workers. So, because it was so cold and they couldn't afford to hire workers, what was the outcome? What did they do? They wore gloves at work and worked so hard they hobbled home at night. Okay, so they were willing to do it. They couldn't have extra workers, so they had to work extra hours. It was super cold. They couldn't afford to get a heater for the building they were working in, so they just wore gloves to work. This is really a grit journey. This is a grit journey goal. She wants to start her own business. And then these are some of the things, some of the obstacles she faced and how she overcame those obstacles. So this is really a good example of a grit journey goal right here. And then the final solution to her original problem is, after lots of hard work and grit, the business prospered. All right, so you just have a few things that you need to fill in to complete this. You have to finish completing what problem she had. She wants to start her own business, but she didn't have enough of something to start it. And then this first attempt, the businessman eats the empanadas. And then what does he do? And again, that can be found in the last paragraph on page 274. All right, thanks again for watching. I'll see you on the next one.